Today we will create another simple Python project which is named as BMI calculator. What we need to do in this? Create a BMI calculator which asks user their height in meter and weight in kg, then find their BMI and tell them if BMI is less than 18 they are underweight, if their BMI is equal to or greater than 18 and less than 25 they are normal, and if their BMI is over or equal to 25 they are overweight. So let's start. First we will create a variable name height and data type float, which we will ask our user enter your height in meters. Then another variable name weight, data type float. We will ask our user enter your weight in kg. Then here we will create a formula for BMI. Weight divided by height exponential value 2, and we will round our answer up to 2 decimal points. Now we will use our statements. If BMI is greater than or equal to 25, what to do? Print. We will use f string. Your BMI is BMI. You are overweight. Else if BMI is greater than and equal to 18, what to print? We will use f string. Your BMI is BMI. You are normal. Else, print. Use f string again. Your BMI is you are underweight. We will run our code. Okay, so here it's asking for height. Enter the height. Let's say 1.8034. Enter your weight in kg. Let's enter 76 or any random number. Your BMI is 23.37. You are normal. That's it.